The reason I got involved in Aquaroll was that I was looking for non-surgical solutions to problems. Even though I'm a hand surgeon, there are many things that need to be treated non-surgically. And I was not satisfied with the current treatments that were available to me. So I was looking for a new innovation and new techniques to get my patients better.
Aquaroll is a refreshing sports recovery system that helps the athlete gain and maintain a competitive edge. The all-natural Aquaroll system relies on nature's most basic and soothing movement, the wave. Combining over 30,000 refined glass beads with water, it's a circumferential hydromassage that decreases pain and swelling and increases your range of motion, all while providing a general sense of well-being. The water, in movement with the weight of the beads, creates a soothing, natural, compressive effect. This potentiates what we like to call natural vibrational rebalancing, tapping into our body's core systems. In fact, we think this vibratory effect that's responsible for the diminished pain that we see at the treatment area.
The patient feels better after the first treatment. It's immediate. I know it sounds like, oh, how can something be so immediate? But when you get in it and you come out of it, you feel immediate relief from it.
Aquaroll is at home in many different areas in the sports world, aside from what you might think in the acute injury treatment. For example, we often see the system used in a warm-up scenario. Maybe the athlete is placed in with warmer water and at slower speeds, really help to loosen up the Achilles and all the joints so that they're going to go out there, play better, and hopefully prevent injuries, keep your athletes healthier longer. We also see Aquaroll used on the other side. When they come out of a tough workout or a tough game, that's when you want your star athletes to be right into that system. This time we're going to put them in cold water on a higher rotation. It's going to help again to just drain out that lymphatic system and really rejuvenate the muscles from the inside out.
You want to feel better instantly. Like this is it right here, because I've been played 11 seasons in the NFL, did some college ball as well. But I mean, like this right here is definitely. You just gotta try. You just gotta try it and see. Like the first time I did it today, I was like, it just was a smile on my face. Like I just couldn't believe how good it felt and how fast it felt better.
I think it's exciting to watch them go in for the first time and get this sort of infectious just happiness and giddiness with what they're experiencing with the machine. You can't make that up. Having
been honored and blessed throughout my career and being to a few Olympics and working with professional sports teams and professional athletes for many number of years, you're always looking for something. There's a lot of pressure when you're dealing with athletes and athletes of that magnitude to get them back into the game. And when you have another modality, one as powerful as this one now coming in at your disposal, it just makes your job a whole lot easier.
It's extremely gratifying to be a part of their success. When they're working so hard, you want to be able to give them that edge and put them back out there on the field.
I'm Denver and I play softball. I dove for a ball in the outfield and I smashed and jammed in my hand and it broke the top bone in my left hand.
Denver had a metacarpal fracture, and it was a bad metacarpal fracture.
It required 7 screws and a plate to put my bone back together.
She was treated with Aquaroll at least 2 times a week for 4 weeks. Greatly reduced her swelling, inflammation. She had good restoration of range of motion of her fingers.
Actually, the results were pretty quick. I didn't think that I would be able to see as big of a difference as I did with using the machine.
And she was ready to play in 6 weeks.
Thanks, Aquaroll, for getting me back in the game.
One of the reasons I think that we're seeing the immediacy of the success and the high rate of adoption within sports, be it professional or collegiate athletes, is the immediacy of the results that you see with the Aquaroll system. In just 12 minutes for hand or wrist, or 15 minutes for foot or ankle, we can now see a player back out there on the field. So this is helping to return your star athletes out there to the game where they need to be performing for you.
Personally, if I was an owner, if I was a head coach, if I was a head trainer, I definitely would get one of these in my training room. Like basically, I tried it out today myself, and instantly felt awesome. I don't know what it was. I was thinking it wasn't going to work like that. I heard about it, but I'm a believer. I'm definitely a believer.
My name is Nico Valdez. I'm currently ranked number 1 in Florida and number 4 in the nation in the light heavyweight division. I'm trying to get into 2016 Olympics. Boxing's extremely hard on the my hands and my wrists, because all you do all day is train and hit the bags and hit people, and it gets really, your hands get swollen and messed up a lot, and it happens in all boxers.
With the Aquaroll, he had at least 3 treatments per week for at least 4 weeks. He improved markedly, so much so that all his pain and swelling dissipated, and he was able really just to box every day after each session and continue to box and not miss a beat.
The hands and the feet are very similar. There's a lot of smaller little muscles that make your digits go ahead into function, and we a lot of times don't do a lot of that, okay, and they need it.
When I got the massage therapy, it was very, very painful. The masseuse was like pressing on my hand, and I even had tears coming out of my eyes. It was so painful.
I really wasn't sure what other therapy to do for this patient. He had tried standard therapy, and it was more painful and created more discomfort and swelling for him.
And the Aquaroll is very relaxing. It's no pain, and it feels like you're just in there getting a massage.
Definitely, it's a life changer. Yeah, it's a game changer.
I get excited when everybody gets better. I mean, to me, why else do you want to be in medicine? Why do you go to work? You know, that's why you go to work.
I just want to say one thing. Say hello to my little friend, the Aquaroll.